Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited.
Hello you guys, in today's video we're just going to be using this palette right here to create an easy eye look. I already had mascara because I had to run out today, but we're just quickly going to glam up with this. This palette looks like this. Super stunning, you guys. Beautiful. And look at the packaging in this. Looks stunning, you guys. It looks stunning. I really enjoy having a nice plain packaging like this with a little nice background. It's beautiful, you guys. I'm going to show you some swatches because I feel like I should. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is so pretty, you guys. And that fly, what the hell with that fly? Look at that beautiful swatch right there.
Can you see what I see?
Oh, beaming, you guys. I wish you guys could see it in real life. It's a little more than what's showing on camera. Let me see if I can turn off some lights. We'll go to the next. Look at that swatch, you guys. It's so pigmented. And this one's my favorite of the palette. Look at that rosy kind of color, you guys. Extremely beautiful, both of them. Oh my god, I am so glad that I picked this up. Look, you guys, that's a matte and it looks gorgeous. And this color, so pigmented. It's a nice nude. Then we have Daydream, which is a really nice metallic. Look at that. So beautiful, you guys. Then we have Stargaze. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Look at that gold. Oh my god. Let me swatch this blue. This is like a mermaid blue with some gold specks in it. It's just amazing. And then we have Overnight, which is the last one in the palette. And it really swatches well, but it doesn't come out as well in the eyes. But the rest of the eyeshadows, beautiful, beautiful, stunning. I love. So I'm just gonna quickly grab my brushes and see if this works. I'm going to start with this color first and see how it pigments. I'm not using anything on my skin right now, so barely going to glam myself a little bit just to start my day. Let's see, beautifully blends and is a nice pigmentation, so I'm really liking it, you guys. I don't know if you can tell. It's pigmenting very beautifully. Let's go ahead and get that other eye as well. And if you see me looking to the side, I got a big monitor just to see what I'm doing and use my back side of my phone camera, because it's really good. As you guys can see, focuses really nicely. And I think it gives you a better quality. And this is my bare skin. You can see right here all my flaws, but we're gonna be covering it in a second. I just want to do my eyes first, and since I never tried this formula before, I just want to see if it has any fallouts, which I have a little fallout on the pan. I don't know if you can see it right there, but it's not huge, so it's very good. So I'm gonna try this one right here just to blend out the edges of what we just did, and I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush, clean one, and I'm gonna start bringing that color right in here, right in the end of what we just put in, and fade that upwards. Same thing right here. Wow, you guys, these shadows, I forgot to tell you about these shadows. I got them at Ross for $10, you guys. It was insane, and they perform very beautifully. I'm just gonna grab this shadow right here, which is the darkest, and bring it out of here in the outer corner to place it right in here. And this one, I thought it was gonna be more pigmented, but it's not. So that's a downfall. Let me use another brush and see if it works better or not. Let's use this one. Yeah, it's still going to be lackluster. The other shadows are great. So I'm just gonna bring a little bit of that dark one upwards a little bit. Like so. So I'm gonna try this shimmer right here. This is a total gorgeous pink, purple kind of color, and it's so beautiful. I'm just gonna use my fingers since we're not doing anything very glamorous right now. I'm just gonna be trying these side shadows, and look how gorgeous that looks. I like, you guys, it's pretty good. Like, the only shadow I didn't enjoy was this one. I thought it was gonna be more pigmented, but this one, look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. You guys, I am to something right here. I spent only $10 on this, and I think this retails around 40 some or 50 some if I'm not mistaken, but I will put the price right here for you guys. And yep, I want to be more in the center. I don't know if I'm in the center right here. I think that the camera's right here, but the one is looking at me is the third camera, which is right here. And sometimes I feel like I'm not in the center, and this is just an accommodation that I have to be doing with the lighting and everything. So all right, you guys, I love, just gonna bring an inner corner highlight. For that, I'm gonna be using this color right here, just to highlight that inner corner. And now I'm just gonna be using a little bit of concealer and a little bit of something to this face. So I'm gonna be using this one, is from Hoa. There you go, from Hoa. And then I'm gonna spot it all over my face because I don't want to use a foundation. I just wanna spot it all over my face like this, and we're just gonna be blending it. And I'm almost done. Look, it's like scratched out. I'm almost done and out of this one because I use this every day of my life as a foundation kind of thing. One thing I've been doing, you guys, with my blending like this is that I've been spraying my brush, the one that I use to blend out all my concealer slash foundation, is that I spray a little bit of setting spray just to get it a little bit wet, and that will make the trick as if it was a sponge, sort of, in my mind. I don't know. But it works, you guys, it works. Makes everything less harsh, more polished, and more natural. I spray my brush just to make it a little more easy on me and a little more natural, but still have that coverage that I'm looking for. Alright, you guys, so now for concealer, I'm gonna be using this one called Incognito. There you go, you guys. I love this focusing. Let me see if it reads it better like this. Look. And cover a little bit of my circles. I think if I raise this up, yeah, it'll show. Once you have a monitor and you have a good camera and you can see all that's happening in your monitor, I just wish that my monitor was here, and I need to fix that. I need to fix that in order to have it here closer to me. And I feel like I'm gonna do that right when I finish filming this. Oh my god. Yes, ma'am. So I'm just gonna put a little powder underneath my eyes to see. I'm gonna be using the one from Fenty. Whoosh. Yeah. That glare. Ooh, hoo, hoo. This Fenty powder is just such a good powder. Put it back. I'm just testing, you guys, and I love how everything looks. It's just so crisp, and any flash you'll see. I hate dealing with technology. I just wish that everything came ready for me, but I know you guys, it's hard. So let me go ahead and do the bottom part of my eyes, and I'm gonna be using this brush right here. See if it focuses. Look at that. It's the color Enchanted, the one from this one right here. It just is so good, you guys. It's so good. I never thought like this palette was going to perform, because it was $10 and it was just probably, who knows how long it's been sitting in there in Ross. So, but I like it so far. Just gonna bring a little bit of that Moonlight color to my underbrows, under my brows right here. So now that I have the eyes complete, I'm just gonna move on to bronzer. And for today, I'm not gonna be crazy. I'm just gonna be using my Milani Dolce. In 09. This is a spectacular bronzer. Look at that. I have hit major pan. And with this brush, you just coat it. Bum, 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 bum. You're done. I love it. Oh my god. You see me looking at the monitor, please forgive me. I just want to see if I'm in focus, if I'm in the middle, what the hell am I doing? This back camera, it's just grabbing every little like hair. Like you could see where my hair is coming out of my scalp, and that is what? That is weird. That is just so weird. I feel that this camera is too precise and it's picking up every little detail, and I don't know where to look. I just look in there, but it's so weird. But I'm gonna get used to it, you guys, because I want you to get the best of these videos, like the best quality. I will fix everything and I'm gonna make it seem kind of okay. I think as of right now it's picking up way too much light. I don't know what it's doing. Because my monitor has a realistic kind of look, like if it was gonna look like that on TV, but then this TV looks really, really good as well, so you could pick up any details. I'm gonna move on to the blush, you guys, and this has been a little longer of a video just because I'm testing. I wish you guys don't see that fly is hopping by. I'm gonna use something that I haven't used very often, which is Lorac highlight in the color Starlight. Can you see what I see? It's a beautiful highlight. I like it a lot. I got this highlight on Marshalls or TJ Maxx, I don't remember. But it's beautiful if you have a light skin tone. If you have a dark skin tone, it could be very, very intense, but you can still pull it off, I'm sure. Alright, so you guys, that's it. I have tried this palette and have created this look. Hopefully it looks kind of good. So until the next video, I'll see you guys.